Happy Monday, guys! I am super excited for the theme for this month, and that is creating your healthy life. So often we feel like we kind of just fall into being healthy, and some people are just healthy and then other people are not. And if you're not, you're like, like what should I do? But this month is all about equipping you with the tools, techniques, and strategies to help you to create your version of your healthy life. It's not by accident, it is by design. And we are going to spend time for the next month really sitting down to help you to figure out what do you want your healthy life to look like. So every single week we're going to focus on something different. First will be nutrition, then fitness, mindset, and spirit, because these are the four things that I look at as being the quadrant of wellness. When we have all four of these things really dialed in, that's when we start to get to the next level of our health journey. That's when we really have created a healthy life for ourselves. So I'm curious to hear from you. How do you think about your life right now? Do you feel like it's healthy? Where would you want to improve your life when it comes to creating the life that you really want? The life that you know is healthy and happy and fulfills you in every single way. Let me know below. I'm so excited to hear from you.